This is my vegan black bean and tomato rice. It's a 10 minutes recipe. I'm going to serve it right now. My 10-minute vegan tomato black beans rice is ready. Hello, welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm preparing a healthy vegan recipe, a rice dish. I name it tomato and black bean rice. For this recipe I am using 1 cup of basmati rice, which is already washed and soaked and rinsed now, kept ready. 1 can of black beans, which is also washed and rinsed. 1 bell pepper, which is almost 3/4 cup. This is 1 onion chopped, but I am going to use only half of it. 3 tomatoes chopped, which is coming to almost 3/4 cups. 1 inch of ginger chopped. I will use 1 teaspoon of that. The spices which I need: 1/4 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2-3 cinnamon sticks, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, cayenne powder, again a little heaped half teaspoon coriander powder, and some salt. And the oil I am going to use is pure extra virgin olive oil for this cooking, so it's completely vegan. Today I am cooking in my Instapot, which is going to take only 10 minutes for this rice recipe to cook. So this is a very easy recipe, wholesome recipe. I am going to start with sautéing the onions first with some extra virgin olive oil. I am using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil because I am not using any other fat for this recipe, so I am just using generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, and I put it already in the sautéing mode. I am adding the cinnamon sticks now, and the whole peppercorns, and the whole fennel seeds. Roast a little bit and I'll release the aroma. Then we are going to add the onions. You can hear the black pepper is popping, the sound. Whenever you use black pepper to add in the oil first, you have to hear that sound. That will bring out the full aroma of the black pepper. So I'm going to add now the onions. I'm just adding only half of it now. This is a big onion I had, so this is more than enough. Into that, adding the half of 1 teaspoon of the chopped ginger. Saute it a little bit. Into this we are adding the bell peppers. Saute it for a minute, and I am adding the spices and salt in it. That is all 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric and salt and chili pepper, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Just roast the spices in the oil first. Now we have to add this tomatoes, and we are adding the rice into it. It's very important to saute the rice a little bit so it will coat the oil, and when it cooks it will be separated. And we can add our black beans also at this point. This is a very easy recipe. Anybody can cook. Any beginner can make it, and it's a wholesome dish. And we are just sauteing for a minute everything to blend together, and I'm going to add 2 cups of water because we already soaked the basmati rice, so we don't need too much of water. And let it come to a boil, then we will cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. Started boiling. I'm going to add a little more olive oil on top and cover it and put it in the rice cooking setting, and it will take exactly 10 minutes. Now it is done. I have to remove so all the steam is gone now. Just opening. This is my vegan black bean and tomato rice. It's a 10 minutes recipe. I'm going to serve it right now. Let's remove this. My 10-minute vegan tomato black beans rice is ready, now served. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share this recipe with your family and friends. We'll see you in the next recipe in next episode. Thank you.